Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. With the recent news about Grand Theft Auto, the Trilogy, the definitive edition coming out soon on November 11th, I thought it'd be fun to sort of go back and revisit each of the three games and see how well they work online for 2021. So, Grand Theft Auto 3, I'm using the Steam edition, and by default, the game does not have online multiplayer. However, there are mods online you can go ahead and download and use. I did a quick Google search. Two mods that I found that seem somewhat popular is Liberty Unleashed, as well as Grand Theft Auto Connected. So if you're interested, go ahead. I'll have a link in the video description where you can download the client file for each of these programs, download those programs, install it. Liberty Unleashed will make a shortcut on your desktop, whereas the other program, Grand Theft Auto Connected, didn't. So I just made one on my desktop here. And the Liberty Unleashed will take a while to load the program. So I'll talk about this one on the right here for a second here. What's most important is you want to set up your username. So go under Tools, go under Launcher Settings, give yourself a name. And then under Tools, Game Settings, make sure you select your path to where your GTA 3 .executable is. So it's going to be under your Steam library, wherever that's going to be, Steam Apps, Comment, Grand Theft Auto 3, and then select the GTA 3.exe. So that's for Grand Theft Auto Connected. And then for Liberty Unleashed, very similar philosophy. So go under Tools, go under Settings, set your username, and then GTA 3 directory, go ahead and browse and find your Grand Theft Auto 3 directory, and then you're good to go. So what I'm going to do first is use the Liberty Unleashed program first and record some gameplay footage, and then afterwards we'll jump straight into Grand Theft Auto Connected and play a little bit of that as well. So you have an idea of how both programs work. Right now, I don't see anybody online, unfortunately, which is too bad, but that's okay. At least you get the idea. Maybe you can get your friends to join you and whatnot. And to connect to either server is you can just double click, you can right click and connect. Same thing over here as well. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump straight into the gameplay footage. Liberty Unleashed first, and then second we'll try GTA or Grand Theft Auto Connected. Let's do this. All right, so let's do this. So here's Liberty Unleashed. You gotta log in. I already made an account before, but the login is /login, typing your password. So I'm logging in. This particular server remembered who I was, the skin, I think the location I was at last. I could have typed in like a vehicle command, but I forgot to do so. So I'm just sort of driving around here. There's nobody on this server, which is too bad. Otherwise, I think there are commands possibly to do like a teleport command. Might have to double check me on that one. But anyways, this one method of playing online using Liberty Unleashed. You go to the website, there's an active community on the forum as well. And you can see all the different features for this particular mod. So that's one method of playing this game online. Another method is we'll jump into the next video segment, which is using Grand Theft Auto Connected. And to me, the graphics in that particular mod seem to look a little bit better than this one. I don't really know why that is. If it's a server setting or something like that. But we'll see in a second how that works. So let's go ahead and jump to the next portion of the gameplay footage. Let's do this. Okay, so this is Grand Theft Auto 3 Connected. And we're gonna basically find a car here. There's a taxi, and you can see that maybe it's just this part of the town. It just seems a little bit brighter. The graphics look a little bit different. I don't know if it's my eyes playing tricks on me, or you know, the server has certain things enabled. I can't really tell you that much. I'm sort of new to playing online, but at least you have an idea of how this particular mod works. This particular server seems like there'd be a lot more cars and a lot more people, but maybe that's just where I'm at in the game basically. So that's today's video game tutorial. You guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.